Just unbox your Roku TV. Let's get it set up in just few minutes. First, plug in your TV. It should turn on automatically showing the Roku logo. Next, pull out the tab on the back of your remote to activate the batteries. It should pair automatically. If not, hold the back and home buttons together for 5 seconds until the green LED blinks. This will pair your remote. Now select your preferred language and choose setup for home use. Next, connect to Wi-Fi, select wireless. Choose your network, enter your password and connect. Your TV will check 2 updates and install them. This may take a minute. Once done, you will need a Roku account. Scan the QR code on the screen with your phone or enter your email manually. On your phone, enter your email name and create a password. If you already have an account, just sign in. Check your email for verification link, tap activate device and you are set. Name your Roku TV, select the room it's in, agree to the terms and continue. You can install recommended apps or skip this step. Roku will now update channels and check for connected devices. If you have HDMI devices plugged in, select everything is plugged in. Otherwise, choose do this later. That's it, your Roku TV is ready to go. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next time.